How's it going today, everyone? Today we're pleased to introduce to you the latest equipment trailer in the EB equipment trailer lineup. We're calling this the kneeling trailer. This will be rated at 14K. It'll have two 7K Dexter axles. This one will be 20 foot long with a 15-foot flat and 5-foot beaver tail. The loadable space will be 80 inches in between side rails. Starting from the front, we'll have our Demco Easy Latch coupler, which is standard on all of our 14 to 16K trailers. Behind that, we will have our manual 12K drop leg with spring return. Then behind that, we have our standard EB frame toolbox. This one is a little special. We have this removable shelf in here, which we call the fry basket. This you'll be able to load either the pendant, you could throw some change in here. Then underneath it, we have all the important stuff. This will house our battery, hydraulic pump, and all of our chargers. Standard, we will have a 5 amp AC charger for the battery, as well as a 10 amp trail DC to DC charger to keep that battery topped off and not leave you stranded anywhere. In order to actuate this trailer, behind here we have our lock. Currently you can see it's unlocked. To lock it, all it is a simple push over. This will push pins into the front axles to get a mechanical lock, as well as there's a proximity switch down here, which will lock our hydraulics from actuating going down the road. In order to actuate this trailer, we will get it to the unlock position. In the toolbox then, with our pendant, we can lower this trailer to the ground. The beauty of this trailer is the low approach angle and breakover angle. We will have a 60-degree breakover with a 3-degree kneel. So that's meaning we'll have a 9-degree initially into a 3-degree for your small-wheeled, low breakover angle vehicles. At the rear here as well, we have a knife edge, which will allow those small wheels to get up, and then we have a ton of knurling for grip going up the beaver tail and flat section of this deck. Then for tying down all your equipment, we have 7 recessed chain tie downs for your 3/8 chain on each side, so a total of 14 on this trailer. Other couple of key features on this trailer are the fenders. The fenders are attached to the side rail, so going down the road, these won't be articulating compared to other trailers you see doing the same kneeling feature. As well as the cylinders on this trailer, we have what is called a counterbalance on each of the cylinders. This means that if we have any sort of hydraulic leak or failure, these cylinders will not kneel going down the road, which will allow you to finish your transport of whatever you have on this trailer. In front of that then we have our spare tire. This will typically be mounted on the curb side of the trailer. Now we can option a second one on the road side as well, if need be. All lights on here are LED. We have our 3 ID in the center recessed into that toe, as well as the 2 stop tail turns on the sides, and then also some lights in both the front and rear of the fender. Then to bring the trailer back up, it's just a simple power up. We do have some conspicuity tape located below that knife edge just to keep this DOT regulated, and just make sure that this trailer is locked then before transporting it. If you have any more questions about this trailer or have any interest, please reach out to any of your authorized EB dealers. Thanks.